Assalamualaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing really, really fit and fine. And I'm also as right as rain by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, guys, have a look at the view. As you can see behind me, it's actually paddy peel. And in this paddy peel, have a look at this paddy peel. Some places were cut and some places are still remaining. Have a look at this paddy peel. Some places are still remaining, and it seems to be becoming suitable for cutting. I think maybe after a couple of days, the owner of this paddy field will cut. And over there are two little brothers, and there is a red cow. There is a red cow eating grass. And as you can see behind me, there is over there is a green field. Actually, that is vegetable field, and over there, uh, many people are working. Many people are working, and some are actually collecting vegetables, and some are removing weights. When I was coming here for making video, at that time I noticed that in that paddy field, weights are running rampant. That's why some are removing weights and some are collecting vegetables, maybe for dinner, maybe for having dinner tonight. So, guys, as you can see behind me, there are a couple of cows. There are a couple of cows. They are actually eating grass as well. And among them, maybe there is a goat. And as you can see behind me, there are lots of trees and so many houses. Actually, that is over there, that is my countryside. And over there, as you can see, there is an excavator, yellow color excavator. And, you might got one of my videos about an excavator on Facebook or on YouTube. Actually, I made a video about that excavator more than a couple of months ago. And after that excavator, there is a red color building, as you can see behind me. Actually, that is not building. That is primary school, and it was our primary school, and I was the student of that primary school when I was in class 5. Actually, I passed my PSC with flying colors from that primary school. And as you can see, there's a little brother. Hey, brother, how are you? I am my brother. Bye. What are you doing here? লড়কি করো। আমি ভাই কিছু করি না ভাই আমি চলে যাচ্ছি। He's laughing when I have asked him that what are you doing, he's laughing. Actually, they are going home right now. They are going home right now. আমি ভাই কিছু জানি না ভাই আমাদের Oh, he's telling me that he doesn't know anything in English. So, guys, as you can see over there are there are a number of trees, and over there, actually, that is our Bangladesh border, and from that border, we go to Myanmar very easily. It's a walk in the park to go to Myanmar by rowing boat from that border, and it takes 2 hours rowing boat ride to go to Myanmar from here, and we can go to Myanmar very easily. And right now, a civil war is going on in Myanmar. That's why people don't go there. Before this civil war in Myanmar, actually, local used to go to Myanmar for catching fish secretly. However, right now at this moment, it's not allowed to go to Bangladesh border though, and even to go, it's not allowed to go to river for catching fish, for catching crabs. Crabs. You know crabs. Oh, over there, as you can see, there are two cows. One is red and the other one is black. They are actually fighting. Oh, as you can, they are actually fighting. Now I'm going there and I'm trying to show you. And now over there, actually, the sun is getting down. Look at them. Look at them. They are actually fighting. Wow, wow. They are fighting. They are fighting. Look at. So, guys, I don't want to make it more longer. Now I am going home. And stay well and safe. Take care of yourself. Please pray 5 times. Allah Hafiz.